I have no problem being called Mr. Big. I've been called a lot worse. Anyways, I just want to talk about thumbnails. And, a well-designed thumbnail will get you traffic to your video. And, sometimes a provocative thumbnail will get you less traffic. If I see something that looks gross, like a fat ass or something like that, I just won't go for it. And for myself, if I see some good graphics, if the thumbnail is amusing, comical, that's a reason to click on a particular thumbnail to bring on the video. Clickbait has been around for a long time, and sometimes I find it kind of amusing, and sometimes I'm not. The breast shots always seem to bring in a little bit of traffic, and the use of provocative titles sometimes works. You gotta play around with it, but anyways, mess around with those thumbnails, and that may be one way of increasing traffic to your own videos.